In this series, we will learn idioms in an easy and powerful manner. We have divided idioms based on their functions and uses so that you can learn them easily. In this series, first we are going to learn the idioms which are based on work and career with real life examples. Let's begin with first 10 idioms that you can use at your workplace. Climb the corporate ladder means moving up in your job step by step, like going from junior employee to manager to executive. Imagine your company as a ladder. Every promotion is a step upward. For example, Ria started as an intern, worked hard, and is now a team leader. Clearly, she is climbing the corporate ladder. It's all about career growth. Burn the midnight oil. This idiom comes from the time when people literally used oil lamps to work late at night. Burning the midnight oil means staying up late to study or work. We often do this before big deadlines or exams. For example, he burned the midnight oil for a week to finish the presentation. It shows dedication and how he worked hard for that presentation. Pull your weight. In any team, if one person does all the work and other don't help, this is unfair. Pull your weight means doing your fair share. It's like rowing a boat. If you don't know row, others have to struggle more. But if everyone do their share of job, then we can say pull your weight. For example, everyone on the team pulled their weight and we finished the project on time. It's about teamwork and responsibility. Think out of the box. Most people follow the usual way of doing things, which is boxier, but when you think outside the box, you use creativity to solve the problems differently. It's about being innovative. For example, her idea to promote the app on Instagram Reels was really out of the box. It wasn't in the plan, but it worked. Hit the ground running means to start something with energy and efficiency. Imagine you are in a race. As soon as the gun fires, you will not walk, you will run. That's how you start a new job or a project at your workplace. For example, she hit the ground running on day 1, already finished 2 tasks before lunch. This shows confidence and speed. In the driver's seat. Who's in the control? The person in the driver's seat decides the direction. In work, it means having the authority to make decisions. For example, now that he is managing the team, he is in the driver's seat. He decides what happens next. It's not just about power, it's about responsibility too. On the same page. Ever worked in a group where no one knew what to do? That's chaos. Being on the same page means everyone understands and agrees to the plan. For example, before we present to the client, let's make sure we are all on the same page. It prevents miscommunication and keep the work aligned. Throw in the towel. This comes from boxing. If a boxer is losing badly, their coach might throw in towel to stop the fight. In real life, throwing in the towel means giving up. For example, after months of trying to fix the code, she threw in the towel and asked for help. It's okay to step back when needed. Buy the book. Some people like to follow the rules exactly. That's doing thing by the book. It means no shortcuts, no tricks, just proper official steps. For example, our manager does everything by the book, from meetings to paperwork. It's safe and organized, but sometimes slow. Get the ball rolling. Ever waited in a meeting where no one wanted